Hey guys, so I just got this 27-inch Yes4All tricep rope in the mail. I'm gonna unbox it, let you know what I think about the quality. So first impressions, it looks pretty heavy duty. It's definitely some thick nylon rope. It's got these big rubber blocks at the end. Those definitely seem heavy duty as well. So this rope was a little thicker than I was expecting, but that's not a bad thing. Just shows that it'll probably take a while to wear down and probably won't fall apart as easily. It's got a really thick chrome plated attachment here to attach to your cable machine. So with one hand on it, you can kind of judge about how big it is. Definitely a good length. So this would be good for, of course, your triceps. You can do ab workouts with it, shoulders, back, biceps, whole range of exercises you can do with it. So I'm going to plug it up to my cable crossover machine. By the way, I did an assembly video on this cable crossover machine. It's on my channel. It's probably the video right after this if you want to check that out. So let's hook it up. So there's no weight on this right now. This is just showing you as an example, but yeah, like I said, it's pretty good length. Definitely got plenty of room for your hands. Feels high quality. I may do an update video later on to kind of let you know how it's doing in the long run, but initial impressions, I'm happy with it. Everything seems to be pretty sturdy and high quality and doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart or anything like that. Just noticed on the bottom there's a screw right here. I guess if it starts getting loose or it feels like it's gonna fall off or something, you can always tighten it. I assume that's what that's for. But overall, I'm happy with it. It was a really good price, had a lot of good reviews online. Part of the reason why I bought this specific one is because I've bought Yes4All equipment before. A few months back, I bought a Yes4All weight set that you can find on Amazon. I did an unboxing video of that. That's also on my channel. And I was happy with the quality of their weights. I've been using those same weights pretty much every other day for months, and they've held up really well. So that tells me Yes4All makes high quality products, and I think I got another winner with this one. So if you want to know where to get this, I'll put the link in the description and the comments below. If you get this or if you already have it, let me know your thoughts on it. Let me know any pros or cons you figured out about it. I just got it, so it's gonna be a while before I can really give my full opinion on it. I've got to see how long it lasts, how well it holds up, but so far I'm happy with it, happy with the quality of the material. I'm happy with how heavy duty it seems all the way around. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below, and see you guys next time.